This is just a quick tutorial. I'll show you how I created an anime image using Freepik AI tool and then turned it into an animation. I started by going into freepik.com, where they have an AI image generator. First, I started with Freepik AI tool to generate the anime character image. Prompt used: full-length portrait of a cyberpunk anime character with long flowing black hair, standing in a neon-lit alleyway wearing a high-tech black leather jacket and jeans with a determined expression. After a few adjustments, I got the result I really liked. And for the animation, I then went in to generate video and chose auto model. From there, I added my prompt describing what I wanted my character to do. The prompt: dynamic dolly shot. A stylish woman stands confidently in a neon-lit alleyway. The camera smoothly zooms out to highlight vibrant colors of her jacket and the glowing signs around her. Her hair flowing with wind and neon lights flowing around her. I created a short 8-second video. And that's it. Quick and easy. Just a heads up though, be careful which model you pick, because your credits can run out pretty fast depending on what you use.